to Spotlight on Sound. Hi, I'm Steve Yusko, host of the Long Island Sound. Spotlight on Sound is your resource for the coolest music venues and the greatest artists playing live music in the New York metropolitan area and Long Island. Hey, Jeannie Fry reports in on Young Ethels of South Brooklyn. Check it out.
I'm Jeannie Fry, and I'm here at Young Ethel's, a rock club in Brooklyn. I'm the lead singer of the band My Little Eye. I'm just doing a review of our show and this club. Young Ethel's is a great place to play because the bar lets you set up your own shows here. They usually have 3 bands. Let me give you a tour.
The setting is comfortable and the bartenders are so nice. There are drink specials on the board, and in the back there are a couple of pinball machines if you're not into watching the bands. The bands play in a separate room in the back, separated by a velvet curtain. Shows usually run from 9 p.m. till midnight. The venue holds approximately 80 people. Now let's have a sampling of the bands who played tonight. Hope you enjoyed this review of Young Ethels in Brooklyn, New York.
Hey, Jeannie, thanks for that report. Hey, and for you people out there in the trenches who want to report on your band, your favorite artist, or your favorite venue, reach out to me, Steve at gigdestiny.com. And as I say, be generous with your joy, keep your spirits high, and let the music take you on a journey. Be well.